Hi class, in lesson 9.1 you will be learning about inequalities. Learning targets for today, you will use inequalities to order the number system, and you will graph inequalities on the number line. Key terms in lesson 9.1, inequality, graphing an inequality, solution set of an inequality, and ray. Please turn to page 606, problem 1. In the past, you probably used symbols that let you order numbers from least to greatest, or from greatest to least. These symbols are called inequality symbols. An inequality is any mathematical sentence that has an inequality symbol. Please turn to page 607, answer number 3, letters A through D, and number 4, letters A through E with your group members. For number 3, letter A greater than, B less than, C greater than, and D greater than. For number 4, letter A less than or equal to, B less than or equal to, C greater than or equal to, D less than or equal to, and E less than or equal to. Please turn to page 608. For any two numbers A and B, only one of the three statements is true. A is going to be less than B, A is going to be greater than B, or A is going to be equal to B. If A is not equal to B, then A must be less than B or greater than B. This statement means that you can always tell which number is larger or smaller than another. Problem 2, inequalities and the number line. A number line is a graphic representation of all numbers. Please answer number 1, letters A through E with your group members. Here is what your number line should look like for number 1. Please make sure to check over each of the numbers and make sure that you have them plotted and labeled correctly. Please answer number 2, letters A through E with your group members. For number 2, letter A, 1, B, 1.8, C, 2.5, D, 3.25, and E, 5.3. Please turn to page 609 and answer number 3, letters A and B with your group members. For number 3, here is point B plotted to the right of point A on the number line shown. For letter A, 3 different inequalities. 1, A is less than B, 2, B is greater than A, and 3, A is not equal to B. And for letter B, all the points to the right of point A are greater than point A. Please answer number 4, letter A and B with your group members. For number 4, here is point B plotted to the left of point A on the number line shown. For letter A, 3 different inequalities. 1, A is greater than B, B is less than A, and A is not equal to B. And for letter B, all the points to the left of point A are less than A. Please answer number 5, letters A and B with your group members. For number 5, the points greater than A are to the right of A, and the points less than A are to the left of A. Please turn to page 610, problem 3, graphing an inequality on a number line. You can use a number line to represent inequalities. The graph of an inequality in one variable is the set of all points on a number line that make the inequality true. The set of all points that make an inequality true is the solution set of the inequality. Number 1 tells us to look at the two inequalities, x is greater than 3 and x is greater than or equal to 3. Please answer letter A with your group members. For letter A, the solution set for x is greater than 3 is all the numbers greater than 3 but not including 3. The solution set for x is greater than or equal to 3 is all the numbers greater than or equal to 3. Please answer number 1, letter B, with your group members. For letter B, the graph of x is greater than 3 is represented with an open circle on the 3 and all the points greater than 3. The graph of x is greater than or equal to 3 is represented with a closed circle on the 3 and all the points greater than 3. Please answer number 1, letter C, with your group members. For letter C, the solution set of the inequality x is greater than or equal to 3 includes the number 3. The solution set of x is greater than 3 does not include the number 3. Please turn to page 612. The solution to any inequality can be represented on a number line by a ray whose starting point is an open or closed circle. A ray begins at a starting point and goes on forever in one direction. A closed circle means that the starting point is part of the solution set of the inequality. An open circle means that the starting point is not part of the solution set of the inequality. Please answer number 3, letters A through D, with your group members. Number 3, letter A, x is less than or equal to 15. B, x is greater than 16.5. C, x less than 34.5, and D, x is not equal to 23. Please answer number 4, letters A through E, with your group members. Here are what your graphs should look like for letters A through E for number 4. Please make sure to check that your open and closed circles are correct and that your rays are pointing in the correct direction. This will conclude lesson 9.1 on inequalities. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.